Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a landing page with your AWeber account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a landing page with AWeber anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's important to gather emails and even sometimes make offers, and it can be apart from your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my AWeber account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a landing page with AWeber, here on the left menu, you're going to look down here towards the bottom. There's something that looks, I guess, kind of like a little file box. Once you click there, you're going to get this pop up, and you want to click right here on landing pages. Okay, so here AWeber is going to tell you a little bit about their landing pages. However, to create a new one, click right here, create a landing page. Okay, so the cool thing about AWeber is they have a lot of different templates. So you can, of course, go ahead and build a landing page from scratch by doing this. That's going to take a little bit longer. Usually what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and choose a landing page that fits my niche. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one fits your particular goal. Also, I want to let you know that you're going to be able to update this and change it to kind of match whatever it is you're working on. But this is basically a rough outline. So this one looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, so next the landing page builder pops up. So the cool thing about AWeber, it's kind of like setting up a Facebook page. Pretty easy. You can go ahead and edit this. So for example, it's not me. So we'll just click on this image and let me go ahead and trash that. And then if we want to go ahead and change it, we just grab the little elements over here and let's see, image, and we'll just drag it right on over and we'll put it right here. Okay. And let me go ahead and click to edit and upload an image. Okay. I just grabbed an image and it uploads right there. And let's say it's a little big. So we just go over here. Each time you click on one of these elements, it's going to open up an edit bar here on the right. So for example, here's the shoes, and then here is the QR code. So the shoes over here, we're going to go ahead and size it. And then I'm going to do full width on mobile. And let's go ahead and drop this down maybe in half. So let's do 200 by 200. Okay, so that looks much better to me. And then my name is not Carla, so I'll go ahead and just click in here and I'll change this to Make Money Anthony. Okay, so that's a little big. So we can just highlight that and we can decrease the size, let's say down to 22. That looks better. And then we can go ahead and delete this QR code. And then if you wanted to, you can go ahead and just add a new QR code. So you would just go over here to the left, grab an image, drop it right in here, and then you would just upload your QR code there. And then we can go ahead and say, selling the best tacos in town. Give me your darn email to find out. Okay. And then here we got the name and then we got the email. Now, if you want to gather more information, you can go ahead and just come on over here and you can see that we have the name and the email there, and you can go ahead and grab a different form. So here's one that I added, how many tacos, and then maybe we don't need the name. We can go ahead and remove that right here on this section. And then here we have the sign up. So we can change that to send me my tacos. Okay. So this is the form section. So where do you want them to go after this form is submitted? You can go over here, and after you click on the form section down here and click on submission. And then for me, I'm going to leave it at the thank you page, but you can also redirect them to a URL. So for example, if you're doing affiliate marketing, they're going to fill out this form and then you can route them to your affiliate link right here. And you would just add the link right there. So for me, that looks pretty good. Obviously we'll have a QR code and then we'll change the wording around a little bit more. And then what you're going to do is click on save and exit here on the bottom right. Okay, now it brings me back here to my landing pages. So we have the landing page right here. Looks like I forgot to name it. So let me go back in here to the edit and edit page. Okay, here we are back in the editor. So I'm going to click right up here, insert landing page name, best taco landing page. Okay, and I'm going to save and exit. Okay, so now we've renamed it. Now we need to publish it. So I'm going to click on these three dots and click on publish page. Okay, now you're going to see this pop up. Now that your landing page is live and ready, you can go ahead and copy this link and click on done. And now we can go ahead and share this landing page wherever you normally share your landing pages. So it could be a Facebook page, it could be a Twitter feed, or wherever you normally share your landing pages. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a landing page with your AWeber account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.